Well, hello and welcome to day 4 of Vlogmas. Today we're making a Christmas tree. To make the trunk of the tree, I'm using a paper straw and cutting it to 3.5 inches, and then I will be painting it brown. For the base of the tree, I'm using a cork and cutting it in half. I found some festive paper in my cupboard, so I'm going to wrap the cork in this to make a decorative pot. Now to create the illusion of soil in my pot, I'm going to be using tea. Just cut open the tea bag and pour it over. Moving on to making the actual tree, I'm going to be using this plastic green plant that I got from Hobbycraft, and using my craft knife I am piercing holes into the tree trunk that we made earlier, and then with these holes I'm going to poke in cuttings from the plastic plant. When adding the branches to your tree, just make sure that the bottom ones are longer and they get shorter and shorter as you get to the top of the tree. Enjoy some music while I build my tree. I've finished adding all the branches, and now we can glue it into its pot. Here is the finished tree. Thank you for watching day 4 of Vlogmas, and I will see you tomorrow for day 5. Thank you. Bye.